Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a look here at Bitcoin. This is going to be a quick one though, so stay tuned. Important stuff. We're just going to mostly look at high block capital data, some back-end stuff, and quickly just double check a few things here as well. Okay, so again, quick analysis. And again, thanks to my community members for the wonderful feedback. Awesome stuff here. Took some nice profits there from Bake and Vets. And then our Premium Plus group is just sweeping Solana. Man, we are just taking some serious profits from Solana. Tons of scalps, like 2 or 3 per day. So it's really nice there. Thanks again so much for the feedback. And again, if you're not part of our community, cryptocash.tech is a site link down below. Jump on over to our Twitter, Discord, or Telegram if you'd like to just become a better trader and just be surrounded by some awesome traders. Really cool stuff. Thanks again so much. Okay, so let's take a look here at high block capital data. I want to talk a little bit about liquidation levels. Just to kind of quickly note here, we've got some long liquidation levels here at about 34,000 even. Once more, we've kind of reiterated the fact that 34,000 is a strong accumulation, heavy accumulation of liquidation for longs, right? So if we do retest 34, there's a great chance we're going to see the price action drop to closer to 33 once we hit that level. I'm still subscribed to that theory. If we take a look here at 36,000, that's roughly the first initial amount of shorts that have liquidations. What do you know? Just above and below these key level resistances and supports, we have a range from 34,000 to 36,000, almost exact. So just again, something kind of be mindful of. Yesterday we had a lot more longs get liquidated than shorts. Big surprise, we already kind of knew that. Today here so far we see a lot more longs entering the market overall as an aggregated delta across multiple exchanges. So that being said, we can kind of see here that there is quite a significant shift in thought process there over the weekend. I think that's kind of null and void just based on the simple fact that weekends are pretty slow and low volume, but still something to be mindful of. Take a look here quickly at the heat map for the longs. We can see that longs got some late longs at 34,900. My goodness, when will they ever stop? These breakout traders are getting smashed once more. So again, it's not that terrible, 34.7. But yeah, everyone wants to break out from 35 and go long. I think that's just a terrible idea. It's just me personally, though. I'm not a breakout trader. Never truly understood it. It's only really beneficial in extremely bullish markets. So when we're there, you'll know. Trust me. And you take a look here. We got a decent amount of shorts here at about 34.9. Most of them, though, on average, about 34.8. So the shorts are barely in profit right now, just a little over, which is good. Okay. And if we take a look here, this is just kind of reiteration here. If you didn't catch my videos from earlier in the week, 34,000 is a strong, heavy accumulation of longs. Basically, the largest amount of long liquidations. It's going to be somewhere in the range of 100 to 150,000 liquidated at that level. Okay, so if that were to happen, we will see the price surge a little bit past that, just as a natural continuation, because a lot of times longs get wrecked, they'll flip short, and the price continues lower. Okay. So that's kind of where we're at there on the back end. So that really helps us understand kind of the general bias of what's going on. Today we have more bias towards longs, which is obtuse, but it's considerably normal on a weekend for that to happen. But again, volume drops off pretty steady on the weekend. So I would not try to trade Bitcoin over the weekend. It's just not really something that's worthwhile. Just a quick little macro here stuff. Taking a look at the monthly. Just kind of give you some perspective here on the monthly here. With the moving averages, we can see here that we are in a position right now, we're above all moving averages. It's fantastic. We're also in a situation too where we are above 50 in the RSI and the MACD has been converging. So there's no doubt that this month in November, we should see a green month again. And statistically, November has like 3 times the amount of green than it does the month of October. So October is like the second strongest month of the year. Coincidentally, we had a very, very strong month. I think that was more than expected. November, on average, has 3 times the amount of the average for October. So I'm not saying we're going to see a triple candle here, but I am telling you that we're probably going to see a green candle just based on statistical probabilities. And it would make a ton of sense for the price action to pull back first before it legs up. It's just kind of, again, my thought process there. I'm not a bear. Don't worry. It's not the thing. I don't attach myself to one side or the other. You shift gears. A good trader will understand both sides. Okay. Now, again, on the weekly here, we can see we're above all 3 moving averages, just reaffirming the fact that we are overextended on the weekly, though. So that's another reason why a pullback might make sense. If we take a look quickly here at stochastic RSI, we can also see that we're still swinging upwards here. So again, tons of momentum to the upside. There's no doubt about it. This is actually looking very good here for Bitcoin on the macro. Okay. And the daily isn't looking terrible either, by the way. We're still above all moving averages. We're extremely overextended still, though. We are up over 70 in the RSI. We have been for roughly 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks almost. And that's just one of those things that unless we can break through this 35,000 range, we're going to start coming down. Okay, it would make a ton of sense for these fair values to get filled. So that's basically just all we need to look at here, just kind of a bit of a macro. We don't need to go too far into the micro because honestly, it's just kind of nothing but compression. Expect some volatility tomorrow as soon as the Eastern markets open. That would be what, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Sunday evening. That's roughly when the Asian markets open, and then the last couple of Sundays have been pretty volatile, so just be mindful of that. Other than that, go ahead and check out some other videos. We'll be happy to review that with you. CryptoCash.tech is a site if you want to become a better trader. My trade signals and my academy, as well as, of course, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord if you want to kind of jump on over, get in the know. Make sure you enable alerts because I send out a lot of good playout charts. If you're curious about our premium group too and you want to be part of our signals, get the question a lot, what are your results? I post those monthly on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one. Take care.